Hello everyone. Let's wake up to some delicious, tender blueberry scones. First, cube the butter and place it in the fridge to keep cold. In a container, zest the 2 lemons, or the 1 massive lemon like the one I received in my imperfect foods box. And all the blueberries. Toss in a little bit of flour and coat the blueberries well. This is so the blueberries don't bleed into the dough too much. I kind of like the bluish color that it gives it. Looks really pretty. In a bowl, whisk the dry ingredients, the all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Add the cold, cubed butter and cut it into the flour until the butter turns into pea-sized lumps. Don't use your hands for this because it will warm up the butter too much. Then add the blueberries and the lemon zest. Add non-dairy milk and mix it in a bit. Prepare a surface by dusting flour onto it. Turn out the dough onto the surface. Finish the dough, kneading it slightly to incorporate the rest of the flour. Form the dough into a ball and flatten it out. Cut the dough evenly into 8 triangles. Place the triangles in alternating directions, with no more than 4 on your silicone-lined pan. These go in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 23 to 25 minutes. While your scones are baking, prepare your glaze by juicing half of your giant zested lemon, or whole lemon if it's smaller and a bit normal. Whisk in the powdered sugar until smooth. You can add more powdered sugar if you want a more substantial glaze, but I like just a hint of sweetness on my scones, so I keep it pretty runny. Brush or pour the glaze onto the scones while they're warm, letting it soak the top of the scone and really get in there. Let your scones cool, then serve with some warm, non-dairy milky tea. I hope these scones please you, and consider making some matcha cookies for an additional tea time treat. Thank you for watching.